That's the beginner. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was cool.
Oh, really?
Quarter. Whoa. Whoa. What's good, Gilly gang? We back with another video. Now, y'all already read the title already. We're gonna be unboxing some monster truck toys that Captain got for his birthday. He's really excited, as you can tell. See, yeah, he's smiling. He's smiling. You ready? What you gonna say to the camera, Cashman? Well, not camera, to YouTube.
Okay.
What you wanna say?
What's up, Gilly gang?
All right, now look. So we got this toy right here. We got the Monster Jam. This is the Loop of Doom. The Loop of Doom. He got this for his birthday. He also got a lot of other stuff that we're gonna be unboxing too. This is just one of them, but we got a couple more things that we're gonna be unboxing. We unboxed a couple of them, but we never play with them. Like, hold on. Don't mind my room, it's junky. He just literally unpacked all this stuff. So we got this, we unboxed that, we unboxed all of the other monster trucks. Check out our other video if you want to see the unboxing of all of the other monster trucks that we did. And now we have these over here. We got this one, that's gonna be in the next video. Then we got this one that's gonna be in the next video as well. And he got those over there too. And he got this one too that they already opened up. That I told them don't open up yet. But they did anyways. They got this one too. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing, but we're gonna do this one today. The Loop of Doom. It comes with a megalodon. Monster Jam. So yeah, we'll get back with y'all once we start building it up and unboxing and stuff, okay? Say it.
What's up, Gilly gang? You have to do some subscribe.
You say what she say?
What's up, Gilly gang? What's up, Gilly gang?
Say what's up, Kai.
What's up, Dada?
Say what's up, Gilly gang.
What's up, Gilly gang?
Alright, come on, guys. Alright, let's open it up. Put all the pieces right here. Put all the pieces right here. Go ahead, keep taking it out.
This the one.
Don't snatch. It's not nice. Just mirror. Put all the pieces down right here. Daddy gonna help you build it up. Mirror. Listen, son. Put all the pieces down. Take the piece out the box.
Baby, what dipping? What dipping? What is what dipping?
You gotta do it yourself, big boy. There you go, good job. What are you doing, Tyre? Don't lose, hey, don't lose no pieces, guys. Take the megalodon off, man. Don't lose no pieces. I need that to do that so I can read this. Upside down.
Oh my god, I take that out.
All the pieces right here.
Oh my god, look. Can we get
Hey, wait. Let me see. They put on camera. Megalodon. Wow. How long, Kaya? Y'all are so feisty. Yeah, go ahead. How long, Mary? You're gonna use it. You gotta help Daddy build it up. Come on. Help Daddy build it up. No.
Can you take this out?
Give me all the pieces, man.
All the pieces?
Calm down. Yes. All the pieces. Hey. Mira, that's not part of this. What are you doing, Cashman? This is not part of that. Put that back, bro. Okay, guys. Kid, I drive me crazy, but I'm trying to build this stuff for them. Okay. All right, so far this is what we got. We got this so far. I'll keep y'all updated. The boys not listening. They're gonna go in timeout in a minute. They're not listening, and I will take all the stuff back to Target. They don't listen. Y'all gonna see Cashmere go in the corner. You gonna go to the corner?
No.
Listen. So I'll update y'all once we know. Connect these two pieces. Connect these two pieces together, Cashmere.
Where did this go?
Let me see. Give me that piece right there. Push it together. Push it together. Push it down hard. No, this piece. Push this piece down. Push this part. Yep. Push.
It's not.
Good job.
It is not.
It snapped, right. So now what we do now is we connect the two pieces.
What?
Now we gotta put B in front of the. Figure it out. You put that piece to this part right here. You put that piece right there, Cosmo. Yep, that's right there. Turn it the other way. Turn around.
Like this?
Yes. Okay, no, I lied. Like this. That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Supposed to be like this, I thought. Hold on. Oh, that's like that. Go ahead, push it down. Good job. Good job, Cashmere.
We did it.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet, Mira. We're not done. Almost. Take that bag. Put that bag right there. So far, this is what we got, y'all. I'm trying to mess nothing up. How long, Mary? We're not done, Cashmere? How long? We're almost done. Okay. I got my flash on now, so that's better. Wow. I did not say go yet, Mary, bro. Good job. So, this is the finished product, guys, right here. Pretty simple. It's 2 modes. The ship right here moves back and forth. You can move it back for, I guess, a wider jump. Go ahead. Let's demonstrate, Cashmere. This thing is cool. Whoa, Cashmere. Wow. You're not on the expert level just yet.
It needs to jump.
And then it got a little yellow little banner right here too that goes with it. Flip flops. But yeah, so you can move it up or back. That's the beginning. Whoa!
Oh my god!
So yeah, this is the Monster Jam Loop of Doom. Pretty cool.
Daddy, look. It looks like this.
Go ahead, do it.
It like this. Oh my god! He looks like he dropped off.
You gotta throw this away.
That one.
But yeah, so it was pretty cool. Don't say sit down, Cashmere.
Oh my god, nose really.
The nose really.
Yeah, he like that.
What do you want to say to the channel, Cashmere?
What's up, Gilly gang?
Say like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
If you want to see more Monster Jam videos.
You want to see more Monster videos?
Ha ha ha. Wave at the camera. Ooh, excuse me. Really, Cashmere? Alright, but yeah, so that's gonna do it for the video. It was just a little quick little video. Y'all can watch them play with it for a minute though. Go ahead. Whoa. Got other monster trucks from over there. Hold on. Let me put it up here, man. Hold on. God dang it. I actually had the flag on the wrong side. Supposed to go right here. Go ahead. Come on, Kyrie, watch out. Whoa. Whoa. Dalmatian bogus. Megalodon bogus too. Grave Digger was the only one that did it. Oh. almost did it. Do Dalmatian though. Dalmatian suck.
He was flip.
Kyler, what are you doing, Kyler? That daddy trying. That daddy trying. Hey, it's daddy turn. Uh-oh. Daddy did it too hard. Y'all knock the thing on the thing. Hold on. Oh, that was cool.
Oh, really?
That was cool, Kyler.
She was trying to do baby auto.
Kyler, stop. Kyler. You know how to fix it? Go ahead. Good job. Kyler, you're not done. Come on, Kyler. Let me try to do it.
Because this one can do a first block.
Go ahead. Do it again. They got more monster trucks to play with, right? These ones want to play with?
I did one.
Okay. Nah,
I want to move monster truck. I want to move one and that one. I'm going to do this one, that one.
okay.
This one and that one. And then, wait, move one and then the other one.
You know what? Oh, I missed it. My bad. That's daddy fault. Whoa.
Move one to do it.
Which one is that right there?
Tiger. This the tiger. Dada.
Yeah. Kyrie, you just throwing it, Kyrie. Go pick it up, man. Oh, Kyrie, go ahead and pick it up. You gotta smash the thing right there, man. Kyrie.
That one, this thing,
Oh, man.
I can smack him hard.
Don't break it, Cash, man.
I smacked it.
Smack it too hard.
I smacked it. And a bucket. And all the, oh my god! All the buckets are only doing a front flop. They only do a double backflip. Daddy, they only do a double backflip.
Oh, which one is that?
Captain America.
Which one is that?
Spider-Man.
Which one is that?
Thunder.
Thunder?
The dirty wash.
The dirty one?
Dummy with the other colors.
With the other colors?
And
Hey, Kyrie. Whoa.
you do it.
That was zombie? Let's try Blue Thunder. Blue Thunder. No way. Captain America.
I can do it. I can do him again.
Okay. He sucked. It says Spider-Man. 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 Try Spider-Man again. Try Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Try Spider-Man again. Hello, wait.
I smacked it.
Bet you lined up.
Spider-Man smacked that.
Kyrie, hold on. Wait your turn. Hold on. Wait, Kyrie. Spider-Man to do it. Bro, calm down, man. All right. You ain't even doing it right. You just throwing the car. I love Spider-Man. I ain't gonna lie. Spider-Man's better.
I will do this one and this one. I got a lot of toys.
He said, I got a lot of toys. Wow, God, really? That's so cool. Hold on, Kyrie. Hold on, Kyrie.
Speed smash.
You messing up the video.
Watch this. Daddy, what is this cicada?
This is a cicada.
Daddy, this cicada.
You just throwing it. Good job, guys. Do it again, Kai. Go ahead, Kai. Kaya, go ahead. Oh man, he did it like 2-3 times before I started recording. Whoa. Cashmere did it too, and he landed with a wheelie. I mean, I didn't get it on the camera though. I'm kind of sorry I didn't. Whoa! Cashmere, it's not your turn. Good job, guys. Cashmere, it's Cashmere. Take turns. It's Kaya's turn.
No, Kaya, I just made that.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Kaya. You're watch out from the camera.
Come on, come on, come on!
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Dragonoid the best. Try the minis.
What? The minis didn't fit.
Didn't fit. Uh-oh. The plastics fit perfect. Whoa. Oh man.
You do it, baby.
Wow.
Yay. I got 1 point.
He did a wheelie. You seen the wheelie he did?
Yeah, he went.
You seen it? That was pretty cool.
And all you do.
Go ahead, Kai. What's up, man? Try again, Kai. Hit it harder than that, Kai.
Hit it hard,
Hit it hard, man. Hold on, guys. Kai, watch out. Mia, you're in front of the camera, Cash, man.
Oh my god. I got 0 points. I got 0 points. I got 1 point. I got 3 points.
Whoa.
I got 2 points.
It's Kaya's turn, man. Go ahead, Kai. Try again, Kaya. Let Kaya go, Mir. Wait, Mir.
Oh!
Fix it for him. Fix it.
Oh, Daddy.
Do it backwards, Kaya. Yeah. Do it backwards. What the?
Oh, Daddy.
Do it backwards, Cashmere.
There's jumping right there. There's jumping right here.
Yeah.
There's jumping right here.
Alright, that's gonna do it for the little vlog that we did with the kids, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below if you're new, and let us know any more video ideas that y'all want us to do. And we're gonna be busting down the other toys and doing the same thing with them. We're gonna try to have it more organized next time. We're gonna try to do each car by itself.
Oh my god!
That could be another video for y'all though. So yeah, I'll see y'all next video, man. Good, Gilly gang, we out.